Hello mate, what you are watching right now are situations that happen in our neighbor country Thailand. Bangkok was a small city near the river, but over the year the city grew rapidly fast. It went to a land that could absorb water to a land that could not. So when the rain in Bangkok, flood also happened, and that can be deadly. So my mate, how would you feel if you were the one that trapped in this situation? And in case you haven't clear what happened, let me tell you to an example situation in our country. In 2019, there was a chemical pollution happened in Pasir Gudang, Johor. Around more than 1,000 people are affected from this pollution. Let me ask you a simple, bold question. What if the world is slowly ending and you just stop blinding ourselves and keep denial? Still not clear? How about I give you a short footage, a real life situation that maybe happened in our life.
Hey, Shahrul, why are you carrying that heavy trash? Why? Why so stupid? Why don't throw that trash into that sea? Easy.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm you, Shahrul. Come on, Shahrul. Just throw that trash into that sea, and you can go home peacefully playing PUBG. Trust me, listen to me.
But doesn't it wrong to throw the rubbish into the sea?
What's wrong, Shahrul? Did you know, according to the Google, throw the trash into the sea is one of the way to dispose the trash, and it has been done by human for centuries. You don't trust me. You don't trust me. Okay. See this. Oh, this is not the web, this is mine. This one is safe. Now, you trust me, Karen Shahrul? Now throw that.
Okay, then.
Breaking news. 2 turtles were found dead at the beach at Terengganu by a local. After the interrogation was held, and local believed the turtle died because of eating plastic waste thrown by people who is unresponsible. Hello? Yes? Oh, we have information because who is the man behind this horrible event? Let's see this footage. The man who did this. You know, some people need to be punished. Some people need to be forgiveness. But some people need to boil, chop off, cut off, burn in hell. What? No, I'm
Dear mate, if you're still watching this video, right this moment and right this second, it means you are still care, even just a little bit, and only listen to talk. This matter is a deadly situation that we must stand and avoid it together, not as a good community, but as human beings who are concerned to their future generation. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Al-Quran, and do not make mischief in the earth. Surely Allah does not love those who do mischief. All creatures in the sea, in the air, and even small creatures like ant or worm on this earth belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Natures are the responsibility that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala chooses to protect it, to take care of it, and not to harm. Every deed that we did will always be counted and will be surely be judgment. To conclude my video, let me tell you, one of the biggest power in the world right now is awareness. Share this video to your family, to your friend, and to people who has power. Because if people don't start to live more in peace with our beautiful planet, then the things that don't touch us right now will touch us some days.